Welcome to the NTE 35W TEXpress Lanes. This video will show you how to enter the northbound NTE 35W TEXpress Lanes from 28th Street. From 28th Street, head north on the frontage road. You will see a white pricing sign with several toll rates. The first line shows the HOV2 Plus rate for carpool drivers with passengers or motorcyclists who have activated their 50% weekday rush hour discount through the free Drive On TEXpress app. The second line shows the pricing for vehicles with valid toll tags. If you don't have a toll tag, rates will be higher. For more information on regional HOV policies, visit nctcog.org. After passing under the pricing sign, keep to the left to enter the NTE 35W TEXpress Lanes ramp. We hope your trip is enjoyable and safe.